One of the ways in which you can combine content created in App Studio is in a document. A document is a series of pages that contains charts, reports, images, and more. These can be output in an online format, such as HTML or an analytic dashboard, or in distributable and printable formats, such as PDF or PowerPoint. In App Studio, you can use the document canvas to create documents and analytic dashboards, from which you can design reports, coordinate layouts, and distribute layouts that are made up of multiple reports and charts. To access the document canvas, right-click a folder in the Environments tree, point to New, and click HTML/document. Documents and analytic dashboards are created in the HTML/document wizard. When you choose to create a document in the wizard, a number of formatting options are available. You can pre-select the output format from a list of common output types that can be opened in a browser or in Microsoft Office tools. The Coordinate Report option parameterizes the content that you add to the document. If the charts and reports that you use share a common sort field, that sort field will be used to burst the content across multiple pages. For instance, if we add a chart and a report that are both sorted by country, a document that we create using the Coordinate Report option is broken into separate pages, each showing information for one country. You can also set the page size and orientation, and the units that define the position of each object. You also have the option to use a table of contents or a master page. You can define the names that objects use in the table of contents and what level they appear on by changing the TOC description and TOC level properties. You can use a master page to style all of the pages in your document. Any items, such as text or images, added to the master page will appear on all pages of the document. The document canvas displays the Insert, Positioning, and Utilities tabs. Use the Insert tab to add components, pages, a table of contents, a master page, and an overflow page to your document. If the output format is Active Report or Active PDF, you can also add controls, which you can configure using the Settings panel, and a dashboard bar, which allows you to move between pages in a coordinated report document by using a drop-down menu. You use the Positioning tab to control a selected object's position. If you select two objects, you can align them using the options in the Positioning group. The Utilities tab contains a number of commands that aid in the creation of your page, such as pre-process and post-process code. You can use the Properties panel to make modifications to components in the document, or to the entire document. You can use the shortcut menu while on the canvas to insert reports, charts, new pages, and existing pages. You can also use the shortcut menu while an object is selected to change the stacking order of that object in relation to other objects. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.